Hey guys, so OnePlus is all set to launch the Beast OnePlus 11 and these are the content you will have inside the package. So here we have a small red box 11 on top left and OnePlus X Hasselblad logo to the bottom. Best part is it's a hard carbon case and yes, we do have a power brick in the box which is something missing from Samsung, Apple and even Google. So I like how OnePlus is still the same at least in terms of hardware, design and content. Yeah, I know the software part is subjective and some of you are not okay with OS 13 interface, but we just cannot deny that hardware is very powerful and I love the fact how OnePlus is still including power brick and case inside the box. Full spec sheet of the OnePlus 11 coming in confirming 8 Gen 2 Silicon, Adreno 740 GPU, Sony IMX890 main, a super wide and 32 megapixel telephoto shooter. Rest of the specifications are maxed out like high refresh rate, high resolution display, there's Gorilla Glass 5 on front, but sad part is unlike the Xiaomi 13 and Samsung S23, OnePlus 11 is not IP68. Last time we heard that the OnePlus 11 is gonna support ray tracing when playing games, so this means fancy and better reflection in games. Like for example, in a game we have rainwater on road, this new tech will show more realistic colorful image by tracing a path of light. So OnePlus plan to fully utilize the power of TSMC based 8 Gen 2 Silicon and UFS 4.0 storage. This is your live look at the OnePlus 11R coming with 8 plus Gen 1 chip and 1.5K resolution display. Yeah, for those who doesn't want to spend that much can pick this one cause 8 plus Gen 1 is also made using TSMC process, is powerful and power efficient. Finally, 2nd Gen OnePlus Buds Pro in matte green black and white finish. So start saving cause the date is 4th Gen for China. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.